Stock Rover has a number of screeners that help identify stocks with strong price momentum. There are two screeners shipped by default that will find stocks that are performing well in the market. They are the Large Cap Growth with Momentum screener and the Relative Strength screener. Running screeners in Stock Rover is easy. First, we select Screeners from the Start menu. Then we select the table layout. We see both the Large Cap Growth with Momentum and Relative Strength screeners. We'll click on the Large Cap Growth with Momentum screener. The passing stocks now show in the selected historical returns view in the table. Let's sort by year-to-date return in descending order. We can also change the view by going to Views. This will change the set of columns in the table used to view the passing stocks. I'll go to the Technicals folder and select the Momentum view. Here we see metrics specific to momentum. There are also a number of additional momentum screeners in the Stock Rover Investors library. The easiest way to find them is to type momentum in the search box. Let's sort the list of screeners by clicking on the name column. Here are a few screeners that are definitely worth a look. Momentum and Sector Outperformance and Stock and Industry Momentum. Below, we see the criteria for the screener Stock and Industry Momentum. This screener finds stocks that are outperforming their industry over the last month and year, and it's also selected from industries that are outperforming the S&P 500 over the last month and year. To import a screener or multiple screeners, simply select them and click Import. Stock Rover will need to refresh the page to load the screeners. We'll go back to Screeners. We can see that the two screeners have been loaded into our account, and the Stock and Industry Momentum screener has been run, returning 58 tickers. Let's click on Momentum and Sector Outperformance. This is a ranked screener, so it returned the top 50 tickers that met the screening criteria. I hope you found this video useful. I encourage you to explore Stock Rover and see all that it has to offer, as well as check out our educational videos on our website. Thank you for watching.